Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this session, we'll be diving deep into Va Tech Wabag Ltd, one of the leading global players in water treatment industry. From their business model and financial performance to their recent project wins and future growth strategies, we'll cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. About the company, Va Tech Wabag Ltd is a global leader in the water treatment sector. The company specializes in designing, supplying, installing, and managing projects for drinking water, wastewater treatment, industrial water purification, and desalination. With operations in over 25 countries, Wabag has successfully executed more than 6,500 projects, benefiting over 88 million people worldwide. Talking about the product and delivery models, company ha- company follows multiple delivery models to suit client requirements. These include EPC, which is engineering, procurement, and construction; O&M, which is operations and maintenance; DBO, design, build, operate; boot, build, own, operate, transfer; and hybrid annuity model. These models give a bag flexibility to deliver projects across different geography and customer types. Talking about the major customers, Webag's customer base includes municipalities, governments, and large industries worldwide. The company has established trust with several leading clients thanks to its proven track record in delivering complex water management projects. Some of the key clients include, in terms of industrial, we can see Marafic, Reliance, Gale, NMDC, Indian Oil, CPCL, Nayara, Indosol. And in terms of municipal clients, you can see Delhi Gel Board, Saudi Water Partnership Company, Manilad, Haya, SEDCO, Singapore's National Water Agency. These are all major customers of Webag. In terms of geography distribution, geographically, Webag's operations are spread across India, Middle East, Africa, Europe, and Southeast Asia. International markets now contribute a significant portion of its revenue, underlying the company's truly global footprint. As you can see, currently India stands at 53% of revenue, and rest of the world has around 47% of the revenue. Talking about promoters and shareholding, the promoters of Va Tech Wabag include Ranjit Singh, Amit Goyla, Milind Mehta, Vijay Sampath, Pankaj Malhan, Rajiv Mittal, and S. Varatharajan. Mr. Rajiv Mittal, the current chairman and company secretary, is an alumnus of Institute of Chemical Technology in Mumbai. Uh, However, as you see, the promoter holding is very less. It's around 19.1%, with public holding majority stake at 58.5, and followed by FII at 18.7, DIS around 2.8, and others at 0.8. Talking about the overall health of the company, as of FY24, Wabag's market capitalization stands at INR 9,358 crore with a share price of around 1,507. The company has strong financial ratios with ROCE at 19.7% and ROE at 14.6%. On the positive side, profits have grown at a CAGR of 26% over the last 5 years. Operating margins have improved to 13% and cash flows turned positive at INR 233 crore. However, concerns remain around poor historical sales growth, low promoter holding, and high debtor days of 254, projected to reduce slightly next year. When we see at the profit and loss statement of Webag sales have shown slow growth over the years, but operating profits and margins have improved steadily. Net profit rose from 114 crore in FY14 to about 295 crore in FY24 in a span of 10 years, with EPS reaching nearly INR 50. This indicates that profitability improvements are more efficiency driven than purely top line driven. Talking about the balance sheet reflects consistent growth in reserves from 836 crore in FY14 to 2,128 crore by FY25, indicating healthy internal capital generation. Assets and liabilities have expanded in line with business operations, showcasing financial stability. Talking about the cash flows, one of the most encouraging signs is the turnaround in cash flows. After negative cash flows in FY23, the company generated a net positive cash flow of 233 INR crore in FY24 and further strengthened it to INR 278 crore in FY25. This was largely driven by strong operating cash flows of INR 355 crore. Talking about key points from recent con calls, the order book is extremely strong at 15,750 crore INR, nearly 5 times the annual revenue, providing robust visibility. Recent project wins include a 2,332 crore desalination plant in Saudi Arabia, and we have 3,251 crore sewage treatment plant in Riyadh and a 1,000 crore solar power desalination project. A World Bank funded INR 380 crore Bangalore reuse facility and a INR 700 crore Zambia project. Additionally, Wabag is the preferred bidder for over 3,500 crore worth of projects, and the company's win rate in the Middle East is around 25 to 30%. And the company's Vriddhi strategy focuses on profitable growth with an asset-light model, higher international exposure, and expansion of O&M services, which is helping boost its profits. Global expansion continues with the Middle East and Africa emerging as key growth engines. Wabag is also leading in technology with expertise in water reuse, industrial effluent treatment, and energy efficient desalination, supported by 125 intellectual property rights. Further future opportunities include ultra pure water for semiconductors, clean fuel from biogas, and solar PV based desalination. Favorable government policies and ESG driven industrial demand further strengthens growth prospects. Overall, to sum up, Va Tech Wabag has positioned itself as a strong contender in the global water solution space, backed by a robust order book, improving profitability, and a clear focus on technology and innovation. While challenges like low promoter holding and debtor days remain, the company's long-term growth story looks promising. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such detailed company analysis. See you in next video.